how to add Google Maps directions widget to your home screen on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, touch and hold. After that, we go down and then tap on Widgets. Now scroll down. Then tap on Maps. So let's find it. So here it is. So expand Maps. And then drag the directions widget and drop it onto your home screen. And let go. And here it says create widget and then choose destination and we give it a shortcut name. So here tap on choose the destination, put in the address. And here we're going to put in the address and then give it a name. You can also choose to avoid ferry or avoid highways or avoid tolls and then tap on save. Now whenever you need to quickly get to that destination, you can simply just tap on this shortcut or the widget to start your direction. Okay, so if we tap on it, you can see map will automatically start and finding the best route for you. So I'll close it now and here we try again. And that's it. So that is how you can quickly add in your favorite destination and it will create a shortcut. Whenever you need to go to that destination, you can just tap on it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video.